Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to change your profile URL on LinkedIn. So when you first sign up for an account, it might have part of your name in it with a load of numbers and letters, which doesn't look very professional. So what you can do is you can change it to something specific and professional. So when you share it to people, you look more professional, which is good, especially if you're using your profile to apply for jobs. So all you have to do from your profile, look over to the right hand side and you should see the section that says public profile and URL. So you can click on the pen and that will open up a page where it shows your public profile settings. So you can check these out and make sure it looks how you want it to look. And to edit your custom URL, the top right hand corner, this is where you do this. So all you need to do is click on the pen icon and then click there and write in what you want your custom URL to be. So the linkedin.com will stay, and then you can write your personal branding at the end or your name. And it must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers. Do not use spaces, symbols, or characters. But when you're happy, click on save and your LinkedIn URL will be updated. It's just important to note that if you have got your LinkedIn profile link anywhere else on social media, you should change it so people will get sent to your new URL. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.